Yes, you're absolutely right. You should be concerned. Low sodium is dangerous for you. And what's happening is you're not only having low sodium, your magnesium is also probably low. And you need to bump that up by either taking magnesium citrate or magnesium taurate tablets, or spray yourself with magnesium spray, or dip yourself in a warm bath with Epsom salts, or go and take a dip in the ocean. That'll get your magnesium up. Next is you need to consider taking salt tablets. So let me say something about salt. Cardiologist telling you to increase your salt intake. That's another lie. And I can give you a whole lecture on that lie. What do you want to know about salt? So what happens when you restrict yourself? Oh, you're going to be on a low salt, low fat diet. Total lie. The low salt is based on zero data. And when you take in less salt, your kidneys detect it. And therefore, the juxtaglomerular apparatus, which is in your kidney, turns on your renin-angiotensin system. That, in turn, holds on to more sodium. That's how it does it. But as a side effect, it makes your blood pressure go high. It makes your potassium go down.
I can tell you, my blood pressure has gone down.
Yeah, because when you cut out all that salt, your blood pressure will inevitably come down. But it has other side effects. See? So, one is we want to make sure that you're not getting vasoconstricted so much. And that's why you're getting all these symptoms. It's your salt, potassium, magnesium, and you have microvascular vasoconstriction because you've probably got high renin-angiotensin system in your body. I would definitely increase my salt intake. Definitely. You need to be salting your food or take a salt tablet once a day.